It's Easter morning, and as a tradition, we come out to roll eggs, hard-boiled eggs, have a race down the hill, and it's to see which egg can survive the longest without breaking. And then afterwards, we'll make egg salad out of them and have a little picnic. So up until this point, we've had videos where we've done some fairly adventurous things and gone to some pretty epic places. I've got also quite a few videos in the works right now of really neat places. You'll want to stick around to see those. But today we wanted to show something a little different that anyone can do anywhere. Find a hill, get outside, and have a little fun adventure with some hard-boiled eggs. That's all it takes. So let's get to it.
So each of us get 2 eggs. Whoever makes it down the hill first wins. It's mostly a game of luck, so don't get mad if you lose. So Levi's are the red, white, and blue, and he's right there. Hi. Mom's are these 2, and she's right there. These are my 2, and I'm right here. And those are his 2. And so we will see who's going to win. We have 2 eggs. If they crack up, and then you have another egg to use. Mostly a game of luck. Really, it's just fun to roll them and see them go roll down. And then after, you can eat them.
Okay, so there you have it. An egg roll, some egg salad sandwiches, chips, drinks. It's simple, it's cheap, it's easy, anyone can do it. And it gets you outside, away from everything else, all the screens, video games, computers, TV, whatever it is. Get outside and enjoy the land of the free.
I might be the winner.
Okay, so there you have it. Egg roll, egg salad